Hi guys and gals, it's Shane Stevenson. How are you doing today? I'm uploading this video quickly because there's going to be a slight programming change. Just through fault of my own, I guess I didn't realize that we would be having a Museum Ship Mafia episode this month like normal. And it's usually on Wednesdays, as I hope that you guys know, but with Valentine's Day, we're doing it tonight. I have not yet seen the link, that Ken usually uploads the link from History X. For tonight's, I went to the live column in our channel, and I just don't see it yet. But we are going to be talking to Karen from the USS Cobia. So it should be John Epp, myself, and Ken Stano from History X with Karen, who's with the Wisconsin Maritime Museum in Manitowoc, Wisconsin, which is home to SS 245, sister ship to us, 246. All right, constructed next to each other in Electric Boat in Groton, Connecticut. All right, now Manitowoc constructed their own fleet of submarines during World War II. I believe, and we'll find out more tonight, I believe it was 27 or 28 boats that they constructed in Manitowoc for World War II. But the Cobia is not one of them, but of course, Gato class, and we're excited to have her on and to learn more about SS 245. So I am shifting tonight's video to, I'm going to just kind of stack the deck going down the rest of the week. So they would have premiered next to each other, which I didn't want to do. The good luck flag that we have is it's a very exciting video for myself, and I hope you agree. So I didn't want those going concurrently. So I'm going to shift the good luck flag, and so we're going to shift the schedule a little bit. Anyway, hope to see you tonight at Museum Ship Mafia, talking with the Cobia, and then the good luck flag will come later. And we'll see you again soon. Thanks for all your support.